Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting the keyboard. Plug it into the Ps5 USB port or use a quality adapter for USB-C. Once connected, go to Settings, right arrow Accessories, and confirm the Ps5 recognizes the device, because Tekken reads system input. Make sure your input language matches what you want to type. Next, launch Tekken 8 and open the in-game options, then Controls. This step forces the game to poll for keyboard input, so you can assign keys directly to commands. You now map controls. In Options, right arrow Controls, select Button Configuration and pick Custom, so you can reassign keys for movement, punches, kicks, guard, and throw. This is essential because default mappings assume a controller. When assigning, prefer adjacent keys for combos to reduce finger travel. It improves speed and consistency. Once done, head to training mode to record inputs, test hit confirm timing, and adjust any keys that feel awkward. This practical testing ensures your layout. You finish by refining sensitivity and latency. If you notice delay, check keyboard polling rate or firmware. Lowering lighting effects can reduce USB power draw. Make sure you play without macros in competitive modes because servers may restrict programmed inputs. If the keyboard disappears or keys don't register, power cycle the Ps5, replug into a different port, and test with another device to isolate the fault. If problems persist, try a different adapter or a native USB keyboard to rule out compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.